Hello everyone, myself Sidharth and today I am going to tell Introduction to Python, Programming for Beginners. This presentation is a part of my Community Development Program, CDP. Python is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages in the world. It is easy to learn because of its simple syntax and widely used in web dev, data science, artificial intelligence, and many. In this session, we will start from the basics of Python, understand its important concepts, and see why it is a great choice for beginners who want to learn programming. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of Python fundamental and be ready to write your first Python program. So let's begin our journey into the world of Python. Now let's understand what programming and Python actually are. First, what is programming? As you can clearly see in this presentation, we communicate with each other using languages like Hindi or English. Similarly, to communicate with computer, we use programming languages. Programming is the process of writing instructions that tell the computer what to do. These instructions help the computer perform tasks, solve problems, and automate repetitive work. This is about programming. Now, what is Python? Python is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly programming languages. Its syntax is simple and similar to the English language, making it easy to read, write, and understand. Because of this simplicity, Python is an excellent choice for beginners. Now, Python is also one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is widely used in many fields such as web dev, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and software development. In simple words, programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer, and Python is one of the best languages we use to give those instructions. Now that we know that programming and Python are, let's move on the next topic. Now let's discuss some important features of Python that make it one of the most popular programming languages. The first feature is that it is easy to learn. Python has a very simple and beginner-friendly syntax that is very similar to the English language. This makes it easy to read, write, and understand, even for someone with no programming experience. The second feature is free and open source. Python is completely free to use, and its source code is publicly available. This means anyone can download it, use it, and even contribute to its development without paying any license fee. The third feature is cross-platform support. Python works on different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. A program written in Python can usually run on all these platforms with little or no modification. Because of these features, Python is widely used in many industries. It is used for web development, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. These advantages make Python an excellent choice for both engineers and professional programmers. Now let's move on our next topic. Now we are going to cover the topic's application of Python, and we are going to see how to install the Python. Now, application of Python. Let's look at some of the major applications of Python. Python is used in many different industries because it is powerful, simple, and versatile. First is web development. Python is used to build web applications like Django and Flash. Second is artificial intelligence. Python helps create a smart system that can think, learn, and make decisions similar to humans. Third is machine learning. Machine learning provides Python powerful libraries that help computer learn from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed for every week. Next is data science. Python helps collect, analyze, visualize, and interpret large amount of data, making it popular among the data analysts and researchers. Another important application is automation. Python can automate repetitive tasks, which saves both time and effort in our daily work. Finally, Python is used in game development. Python can be used to create simple and 2D games using libraries like Python. Now, let's come how to install Python. Step 1. Visit the official website www.python.org, and there you can download the latest version that is suitable for your operating system. Coming to the second step, run the installer before clicking install now, and make sure to check the option add python.exe to path. This allows you to run Python directly from the command line. Now coming to the first step, after the installation is complete, open idle, which comes with Python, or use Visual Studio Code. I prefer to use Visual Studio Code, which is a popular code editor recommended for Python programming. Now, Python is successfully installed and we are ready to start our first Python program. Let's move to the final slide. With our very first Python program. The first program that every beginner learns is called the Hello World program. The code is very simple. Here you can see that mm, print Hello World. This is a very simple program. Here, print is a built-in Python function. It is used to display text or output on the screen. In this example, the text "Hello World" is printed exactly as written inside the quotation mark. Here you can see the output. It is the exact "Hello World" printed here. To run this program, first open your VS Code, create a new file named hello.py and write the code, save the file, and then run it. After executing the program, the output displayed on the screen is "Hello World." This simple program is our first step into the Python programming. From here, we can move on, writing more advanced program and solving real-world problem. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope this presentation helped to understand the basics of Python. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. With this, we come to the end of our presentation. Today, we learned what programming is, what Python is, its key features, its real-world application, how to install Python, and how to write our very first Python program. I hope this session has given you a clear introduction to Python and inspired you to start your programming journey. Remember, the more you practice, the better programmer you become. So keep practicing, keep coding, and keep building the future. Thank you all for your time and attention. If you had any question, I'd happy to answer them. Have a great day.